Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to take you to the journey of this BMW 340i that we did. We applied the ceramic coating, we checked the surface for imperfection, we did paint correction, the hood was previously painted, so I'm going to take you to the whole process, how we evaluated the hood, how did we wet sanded the hood, how we polished the hood. We also tested some of these new pads that are on the market to remove orange peel, which was the problem with this car, specifically the hood. So I'm gonna flip this thing over and take you over and show you. Okay, so we're gonna be trying to fix this hood with a lot of orange peel. Right here you can see on the light, all of them, the whole hood is full of it. You don't see the clarity on the lights. Look at this one right here, see? So we're gonna measure the hood in a few spots, and then from there we can evaluate if the hood was painted or not, which we suspect it was. Okay, so the first reading, 5.9, 6.1, 6.9, 6.3, and 6.7, and the rest of the car we found it at 4.2. So we're gonna get set up and see what we can do. Okay, so we tried one of those new pads. They're on the market to remove the orange peel, and unfortunately they didn't work for us. So we're going old school with the wet sanding, and this is where we at. Now we're going to polish to see how far we have gone and where we at. Alright, so we're making some progress, looking stunning, and we are trying to do the best job we can. So we did a little wet sanding, some imperfections. The hood obviously was repainted, so but this is almost finished here. We're on the final stretch. Okay, so here's the car fully done, and let's start with the hood. If you recall on the original video, you didn't see any clarity on the lights, so now it's a lot better, and you see the measurements that we did. And the grill we sprayed with the airbrush and the boosted 2.0 ceramic coating. We sprayed the wheels too, and the calipers, and the wheels, they came out phenomenal. Look at that. We polished the glass with the Swirl remover Pro X. Carbon fiber looking good. We polished the tail lights. Interior, all the door jambs, all that fully done. We use the quick detailer plus for that. We coated the plastic print down there. We also did the engine, and this thing is a sleeper. It has the power kit package. It's an M. You would never thought this thing has so much power. I don't have the whole list of modifications, but I was told that it's quite fast, and I believe it. And then the hood right here. Okay, so there you have it. The 340i is fully done. I give you the walk around. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, subscribe, share, Check us on Instagram, TurboWax. Check our website, turbowax.com. Let us know how we're doing, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.